everyone, a very good afternoon. How are you guys? So students, I have got a very important announcement for all of you JEE aspirants of 2023. Students, you have given the examination of JEE in January of 2023, right? And you all have got your percentiles also. Now, we at Toppers Academy are going to launch a rank improvisation course. Yes, students, because most of you who have not scored desired percentile, who have not acquired the requisite percentile to get into IITs or to secure place in the government engineering colleges like NEET, IIITs, all those things, NITs. So for them, we have launched this course, that is rank improvisation course. The course which we are launching is going to start from next week, okay? And what we are going to do in this course is, we are going to focus on your numerical solving ability. Yes, we are going to develop the numerical solving skills in you, right? And precise revision and thorough completion of all the contents in all the three relevant subjects, that is physics, chemistry and maths, will be done. So a lot of practice, lot of numerical solving, and skill will be developed to deal with the numericals and solve it, so that you can secure a high percentile, a dream percentile, and can get into behind those dream gates of IIT. So don't waste your time. Join us at Toppers Academy and help us to help you to shape your dream into reality. Okay, so that's what our course is, and in this course we are going to provide you the entire lectures. We are going to complete the syllabus with numericals, and I repeated precise revision also by the end of April, by April end, okay? And special attention will be paid towards numerical solving ability. So just hurry up and join us to shape your future. Thank you.